Hey everyone, I'm H. Today we're gonna unbox and overview this beautiful ASUS ROG B650E-E gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. Such a long name, but such a cool motherboard. It's gonna be first video of series of unboxing and overview videos for parts which I got for my PC, which I'm going to build for game development purposes in Unreal Engine 5. Keep in mind that it's not a sponsored video. I got this cool motherboard with my own money, and I want to show you all reasons why I picked this one. Let's open the box. Alright, let's see what we got here. ROG Strix B650E-E. I know you might think that this is B650 series and it's a budget model. There are higher chipsets like X670E models, but believe me, this motherboard outperforms a lot of other motherboards in its own category. This EE means something here. It's incredibly powerful. It outperforms some higher end chipsets. Frankly, I prefer getting something that exceeds expectations in its own category rather than a weaker option from a more expensive one. Especially when you think about your budget and you want to find the best deal, I think this is a gem, and I'm gonna tell you why I think so. First of all, what we see here, it has a Wi-Fi and it's for AM5 sockets. AM5 socket, it's socket for AMD Ryzen series. I got here one. It's for 7000 series, 8000 series, and 9000 series. Pay attention to this AM5. It's DDR5. It's PCIe 5 ready. It has some RGB. It's this part. It's for desktop. It's ATX form factor. And let's see what we have. Anything other written on box itself. One USB 3.2 Gen 2X2, 7 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 4 USB 2.0, 1 HDMI, 1 display port. Yes, by the way, these AMD series, they have internal graphics. You should not expect a lot from that, but they have it. And these ports in I/O for HDMI and display port, this is exactly for that. It's for internal graphics of CPU. This has Ethernet port, 1 Wi-Fi 6E module, 5 audio jacks, 1 BIOS flashback, and clear CMOS button. AMD socket AM5 for AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors. Memory, 4 slots for maximum 128 GB DDR5 6400 plus OC. Expansion slots, 2 PCIe 5.0, 1 PCIe 4.0, 4 M.2 slots. 2 of them are PCIe 5.0, 2 of them is PCIe 4.0. SATA 6 GB ports, 4 of them. Form factor is ATX 30.5 centimeters to 24.4 centimeters, and it's 12-inch to 9.6 inch. 16 plus 2 power stage, PCIe slot Q release. Yes, this has a button for releasing graphic cards. It has a lot of heatsinks. Let's open this. Let me just lower my desk. This is what we see first here. I guess this is the box for antenna. This is black antenna. Pretty nice. I like that they're putting these antennas in all boxes. I think all. I have seen a lot of them. Not all companies are doing same. Let me check if we have something else here. Safety information, motherboard, layout, manual itself. This is very important thing. I know that we are usually being lazy to read manual, but I think in a case of PC build, It's something that you must read it to get best performance out of the product which you got. And we have nice stickers here, some ASUS web storage something, and specification update notification for AMD processors.
Get ready to rock the gaming world with ROG Strix. As a member of the elite gaming community, it's time to level up with Armory Crate, the ROG app that will help you manage every aspect of your rig.
Do we have anything else? Yes, we have more stuff. SATA cable. This is, I don't know what is it. It's for cable management. It's a thermal pad for M.2. Tiny screw. I believe it's for M.2. This is another thermal pad for M.2. There is another thermal pad for M.2. This is the beauty. I'm gonna put it on box. This is for error codes. This has tiny LEDs for debugging. Also has this screen which will show what's the issue, what's the problem. There are 5 slots, AM5 socket. I guess here I will need to put the graphics card because it's closer, but I will read manual anyway. I have AIO, so I will put it here. I don't want to open right now this socket, just in case. Very huge heat things here as well. It's 8-layer PCB. It means it's gonna be durable. It's gonna serve for my purposes at least 10 years, I think. This is the button. I'm not sure how to use it. Maybe 2 down. Oh, just push it. Yeah. Great. We don't have here physical button for power. We will need to just go with the old method and stick here some screwdriver, or we can just connect it to case itself. We have here 4 M.2 slots, but I guess they're all under heatsinks here, probably here. These are for graphic cards. I know that it supports dual GPU setup. Here we have that RGB. Look, it's beautiful. It has everything what you need. HDMI, DisplayPort, USB Type-C, USBs, clear CMOS, BIOS, specific USB for BIOS, again USB Type-C, Ethernet, jack ports, Wi-Fi. It's beautiful. It has a lot of ports. So let's look at the manual. This is recommended memory configurations. When you have 2 sticks, you should put them in A2 and B2. I don't know if it's visible or not, but A2, B2, basically it's written here already. And this is A1, this is A2, this is B1, this is B2. Basically to this and to this. Second and fourth. There is some explanation for that. You can find out and do research. It's long story. What else I need to think about? Look what it says. If you wish to install an AIO cooler, we recommend installing the AIO cooler after installing the motherboard into chassis. So we're gonna put here CPU, then we're gonna put it into chassis, and then we're gonna put AIO. Well, beforehand we will need to put here memory sticks. We need to also pay attention to BIOS update thing. There is some process. I need to download something, I need to put it in USB stick, and then I need to connect it to motherboard, and I need to click button and wait. But I will do it after everything is installed. Here it says the whole process. It's very important because the factory BIOS is a little bit old and it may conflict with some other parts. I want to show you also back of this board. I think it's pretty nice. It's very cool. That's pretty much it, what I wanted to say in this video. Don't forget to put like, subscribe, write your comments, and in next video we're gonna talk about this CPU and I'm gonna install it here. And yeah, it's gonna be unboxing, overview, and installation of AIM Ryzen 9 7000 series processor. So yeah, see you, bye.